Hello again, YouTube. This time I will be showing you Raydramon. Yes, if you develop Demon to Diego friendship, because my brother's from Valley Village, so it's just a cycle. But you can barely see there's a missing from over here. I don't care about it. Okay, you can open this like that. Then you just straight this thing, his legs. See? Straight them like that. Then, if you want, you could put the front first, but for me, I'm gonna go with the back. So you're going to bend it like this. Do the same with the other. Sorry, it's my fault. Okay, do it with the same, and then the front legs. It's pretty simple. And then, if you want to make it easy, but oh, sorry. If you make it easy, it's supposed to be going over here. Then basically, there's some here. Put it like that. Put it like that. See? And then you do that with the tail and then twist. So this is just like this. And then there's a sign here. So if you want to do it again, just open this, then open, pop them all out. See? You can see you can pop them all. There. And then you could bend it so it's like showing off like he's running. So you can like press with the head in it. So it's like that. And then you'll see this. Alright, open it. There. And then at here, some over here. Then you can just make it stand. Let me show you. Oh yeah, and the tail. Just do that. Just do it. Then you can just do it over. You can practice it. Okay. Okay. Bye. See you next time.